Let's see what my Thai boyfriend is cooking today. What is this? A massive bag of spinach?
I wanna cook some kind of a coconut spicy curry. We call it Kaeng The Pho.
Kaeng The Pho?
Yeah. So normally we use morning glory, but we cannot find it here, so I adapted it. So instead of morning glory, I use spinach.
Okay. We have a special guest here today. Hello.
These are all we need. Red curry, fish sauce, tamarind sauce, pork. I use the one with the belly, a little fat. It's way nicer with this kind of curry. Spinach, palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can use brown sugar or white sugar. It's okay. I almost forgot. It's a coconut milk curry. So yes, you need coconut milk. Yeah, you cannot miss this one. Huh? If you don't have it, it doesn't call coconut milk curry anymore.
Have you cooked this one for me before?
No. Oh.
What?
Doesn't look promising to use.
What to do now?
I can try to use milk. What should I say?
I don't know.
Okay, with some technical problem with the coconut milk. Yeah, I think we have to adapt the recipe a little by using milk. So
okay. So it is not coconut curry.
Yeah, I haven't realized that I opened it. I thought it was the new one because I also bought the new one. Did I put the new one here in the? No.
Yeah, I think we had it on the shopping list, but I don't know if we ever bought the new one.
Yeah, this is a big mistake. Oy. So now we are making a random curry. Let's see. The main reason we use the coconut milk is for the fragrance.
Yeah. Are we gonna have rice with this?
Yes. Oh yeah, I should cook rice. Good. Looks good. Now you stir fry the pork. Let's make the pork cook and get some fat from the pork. Just leave all the pork in there. So we use around 300 grams of pork. You can also use chicken or beef. It's not really restricted to pork. So use the meat of your choice. Now you're gonna leave it for a while out here. We add a little bit oil here because we have to fry the chili paste. 1 spoon.
A big spoon.
Well, I prefer it to be a little bit spicy. And then you add milk.
How much you put milk?
Half a liter. Actually, it's 1 liter. We slowly add. This first half we add is 500 milliliter. You wait until it's boiled.
Some leaf?
Yeah, some leaves for the fragrance.
What leaf?
Kaffir lamb leaves. Should leave the pork simmering there at least 5 to 10 minutes. And then after that we will add the spinach. We managed to add all of them.
All of it? What?
Yeah, normally we use like 300 grams of the spinach.
What?
Yeah. And then when you put all the veggie in there, now we will add it's 3 tablespoons of sugar, so it's around 45 grams of the sugar. So this one is already 45 grams. So. And then we need 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. This time I don't use soy sauce and oyster sauce, huh?
Oh yeah.
See, not everything we need oyster sauce and soy sauce.
Oh.
Then we need 5 tablespoons of tamarind sauce. And then just simmer it for a while, just to make sure that all the sugar and everything is well mixed in here. Everything is ready. Yeah, the problem when you use milk is that you will have the, I don't know, the protein things from the milk floating around. It's not really look good, but the taste is good. Oh, it's good.
I'm sure it's good.
Yeah, I'm not really good at dealing with milk, like using milk for cooking. I think I just need to use low heat to prevent milk become the like the protein accumulate. Yeah, when you heat it too hot, the protein start accumulate. So it doesn't look really good when you cook. Yeah. Is it spicy?
A little burning.
I cannot call it Kaeng The Pho anymore.
Yeah.
Changing the vegetable is one thing, but no coconut milk. Sometimes like Thai people also use milk instead of coconut milk to make things healthier. But with coconut milk, you have a lot of fragrance and smell and the creamy things, which make it way better. I don't know why every time I eat spinach, I have a feeling like some rough feeling on my teeth. You have the same, like it makes your teeth in your mouth like, I don't know, it's like covered with something.
Maybe a little, yeah.
With other veggie, I have never had this feeling, but with spinach all the time. Don't eat the Kaffir. You ate it?
Probably.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
It's eatable.
Because I didn't remember that there's another type of leaf in there. Very good. I need a coffee.
Go get it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.
Are you joining? Come.